G'day, I'm Jason Ruckman, and I'm super excited to be able to be here and help you out with your coding today. So I started programming a long time ago when I was only about 13 or 14, if I remember correctly, back at high school. And when I got into coding, there wasn't really a lot of computer science around at the time, but it was something I really enjoyed, and I loved getting into the computer lab and playing around and just tinkering and seeing what I could get computers to do. And I've enjoyed that for pretty much my entire career. So over the years, I've worked on a bunch of projects doing coding, all sorts of different things. Here's just a few of those, and some others that I've done recently as well, where I've created Suhari, a mobile advertising platform. But here you can see a lot of like hardware projects where I worked with Ford or with Coke and Amazon, and even the very first web browser, an Apple computer. So I have a lot of background in coding and trying different things, and over that time I've managed a lot of different engineering projects and worked with tons of software developers, and so I've learned a lot about code and how to make sure that it's something that other people can work on and how to maintain and keep your code looking great. And so I want to share a lot of that experience with you as well. And that's let me do this and actually create a lot of courses and content and help others with coding. I love helping out and teaching others this wonderful passion that I have for programming and computer science. So I hope you find the enjoyment that I got out of it as well. You'll see there's a lot of demand for coding worldwide. There's a lot of stats out there for the number of jobs that are going to be available, and not necessarily enough programmers out there to support that. I've got a couple of kids as well, and so excited to kind of like help them learn and understand what computer science is. And that's what really got me started with computer science and teaching it in the first place. And as a programmer, you can really work from wherever you want. You can start coding now and doing that from home and do contract work or consulting, and you might find a coding gig just for a month or two, or you might find something for 6 months or even permanent work. But a lot of the coding activities and that now are happening remotely, so you really aren't restricted anymore by where you live. You can get into coding just about anywhere. So good luck out there, and I hope you have a lot of fun doing the program and learning about coding, and that you change your career and your life around the opportunities that this will create for you.